Yeah, good morning, good morning. We're here trout fishing on Twain Harte. Let's get to it. Whoop. Nobody here. Yep, we close this one. Close the gate, but it's still trout fishing season. Yep, I'm using this one with number 8 hooks with a snail. Yeah, I'm using a crappie nibbles. Yeah, but just in case, I'm gonna use another one. Goldfish fry. So first, the power bait. Only one here. Just open. Oh, full of fish. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Is that a brown? Oh my god. Brown, big brown, big brown. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, jeez, come on. Oh, come on. It won't get in. Oh, it's a rainbow, it's a rainbow. Relax, buddy, relax, relax. Oh, first one. Yeah, thank God I caught him at the lower lip. Yeah, let's see, take it out. Oh, real easy. Let's see, right there. There you go. Hey. Yeah, it's nice pinkish color. Yeah. Thank God. Yeah, the water came from right here, folks. I can't believe it. I dragged the bait down, all the way down, and I caught it all the way in the end of the pavement right there. Alright, we get fishing for more. Yep, so I'll rig them. Crappie nibbles, 3 spinner. Yep, swivel. Well, look at that, folks. Scenery. Alright, get more fishing. Yep, it's your favorite spot. Yeah, let's try it. First cast. Woo-hoo-hoo, I reeled it in. One on spin. Oh, it's a brown trout. Yep, good enough. Now it's rainbow. Rainbow, rainbow. Yeah, oh my god. Yep. Making sure, shoot. Woo. Yep, I reeled it in. Yep, spinner. That's it. That's all it takes. Oh. Alright. Two. Whew. Man. Oh. Yep, I got that right there. Whoa, I just missed a big one. Just came off. Oh man. Starfish. Oh my god, I missed it. I missed it. Oh yeah, let's redo something. Oh, miss. Hit the bite. Got, yeah. Oh man, the 3. Oh my god. Oh man, I missed it again. fish on. Oh my god. Oh, came out. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Feel a bite. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Come on, bite it. Come. Oh god. Yeah. Finally got you. Finally got you. Oh, thank you, Lord. Oh, got one. Got, oh, little baby. Yep, got him. Oh, thank you, Lord. Oh, I knew it. Yep. Hey, shoot. Oh, my God. Okay, there you go. Oh, they got bites going on. Oh, they bit. Oh, took my bait. Oh my God. Man. Got him. Ooh. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Perfect. 5, folks. Now it's catch and release time. Ooh. Yeah, baby. Yep, got him again. Yeah. Give it to my friend. Yeah, I'm gonna take the small one. It's dead already. Yeah, also gonna give it to my friend over there, but can't find him anymore. Well, folks, that's it. I caught 6. I throw one away. I give it away to other fishermen. Yep. Yeah, right now I got 5 in the cooler. I'll give it to my mom. Yeah. I released 3 and I missed 12. Yeah, I missed 12. So many. Alright, like and subscribe, folks. Thank you. Oh. Yep, first guy to come in. Yeah. Nice day. Like and subscribe, folks. Like and subscribe. Yep, that's 5 trouts.